These individuals shared a common trait. They possessed an unwavering belief in themselves and their potential to surpass their current circumstances. They were dedicated to investing their time and energy into self-improvement, recognizing the immense possibilities that come with honing their skills. Allow me to share two brief stories with you, both involving women who sold their businesses to Berkshire Hathaway for substantial amounts. Interestingly, both started with a mere $2,500, which was all the money they had. The first woman, a Russian immigrant, arrived in Seattle in 1917, unable to speak English. With a tag around her neck directing her to Fort Dodge, Iowa, she reunited with her husband and later moved to Omaha. There, she found a community of Russian Jews, and her daughter taught her English. This woman, Rose Blumkin, spent 20 years saving money and eventually opened a furniture store. Without formal education and being illiterate, she sold her thriving business to me in 1983 for approximately $60 million. Another woman also built a successful business with her initial $2,500 investment, and I paid her hundreds of millions of dollars for it. Inspired by these two entrepreneurs, I decided to connect with such individuals earlier in their journeys. Let me tell you about another entrepreneur, a man named Jack, born in 1922 in the Midwest. Interestingly, the company he founded now hires more college graduates each year than any other in the United States. Jack briefly attended college before dropping out and enlisting in the Navy during World War II. After the war, he returned to the Midwest and worked various jobs, eventually becoming a used car salesman. At age 35, Jack started a car leasing business with his boss, cutting his salary in half and borrowing $25,000 to do so. The business was modest, but not groundbreaking. At 40, Jack decided to enter the car rental business, competing against industry giants like Hertz, Avis, and National with only 17 vehicles. He named his company after the U.S. Enterprise, the battleship he had served on during the war. Jack's dedication to providing exceptional customer service set his company apart, and it eventually became a leading player in the rental car industry. This story, like the others, demonstrates the incredible power of determination, self-belief, and hard work in achieving success. Commencing with a mere 17 vehicles, this venture's value surpassed that of Hertz, Avis, and the entire rental car industry combined. Jack Taylor, the man behind the empire, passed the torch to his son, Andy Taylor, a dear friend of mine who now leads the business. As a multi-generational enterprise, it epitomizes the power of exceptional customer service and fostering strong relationships. Neither Jack Taylor nor Mrs. B, who built a thriving furniture business, developed groundbreaking technologies or revolutionized industries. Instead, they both excelled in delighting their customers and nurturing connections with people. By focusing on the simple yet powerful principle, they managed to elevate ordinary businesses into extraordinary empires. The path to success isn't always a straight line. As with Henry Ford, who failed twice before founding the Ford Motor Company, the true test lies in continuous learning and leveraging your strengths to benefit your customers. In order to thrive in business, entrepreneurs must prioritize customer satisfaction. An unwavering commitment to exceptional customer experience almost always guarantees success. Furthermore, it's essential to surround yourself with people who inspire you and help you grow both professionally and personally. Delighting customers, working through others, and associating with people who elevate you are simple rules that can propel you to unimaginable heights. These principles guided Rose Blumkin, who, despite not knowing English, built a billion-dollar enterprise with just $2,500 in initial capital. Similarly, Enterprise Rent-A-Car likely followed the same path, allowing the business to grow organically over the years. To the 2,200 individuals in this room who have worked diligently to further their skills while balancing demanding jobs, I offer my sincerest admiration. With a staggering 99% graduation rate, I can confidently say that the best is yet to come. If you're feeling inspired and ready to conquer your goals, Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. By doing so, you'll join our growing community of go-getters and dream chasers, ensuring you never miss out on the empowering content that fuels your journey to success. Together, we'll transform our lives and make the world a better place. So, let's take action now and show our commitment to personal growth and positivity.